Today I'll show you the fastest way to connect a sinamics drive G120C PROFINET drive to an S71200 in TIA portal using Telegram 1, mapping the PZD words, and controlling it with a simple FB. First, add your PLC, sinamics S71200, choose your CPU, here I'm using CPU 1217C, and confirm. Next, add the drive from the hardware catalog, G120C PN. Open the drive device view, then PROFINET interface and Telegram configuration. Select standard Telegram 1 for both directions. Send, actual value, receive, setpoint. Now map the PZD data to PLC tags, one area for commands, setpoints going to the drive, and one area for status, actual speed coming back. Send, actual value, receive, setpoint. In ZSW1, the important bits are ready, operation enabled, plus fault present and alarm present. These four alone are enough for clean start, stop logic and diagnostics. Receive, setpoint. To keep everything neat, create UDTs, one for command bits, one for speed setpoint, and two for status bits and actual speed. Then build an FB that reads the status bits from the receive word, scales the actual speed to %, generates a one-cycle fault reset pulse, scales your speed setpoint to the drive word, and finally writes the command word. Call the FB in OB1 with an instance DB. Connect your PZD input/output addresses, and link your HMI or buttons to CMD start, CMD stop, and speedset_PCT. Go online and test. Verify drive ready and operation enabled go true, then start the drive and change the speed set point. If a fault appears, trigger reset and confirm it clears.